So the first package we've got for this mailbag is this one. This came in from a viewer, and it's something for me to fix. Let's see what's in it. Quite frankly, I kind of forget. That's, I know, terrible, but hey, age has its rewards. Like I can wrap my own Christmas gifts. Okay, let's get you out of here. I'm gonna need you for a minute. Another box. No, not another box. Just a top of the box. And packaging. Little package of capacitors in a plastic bag. And oh yeah. Oh yes, I remember. This is gonna be fun. There we go. Ooh, that survived. Glad to hear that. No case. Ooh, I hope everything's all right. Anything else in here? No, that's it. Alright, we'll save that box. Let's send it back in. Put it over there, out of the camera's view. Oh, let's see what we got. Okay. This is an old yeah, an old radio. Looks like it has had a little work done to it here and there. Let's pull you down a little bit so you can see what's going on. Speaker look okay? Yeah. Yeah, it's moving. It's all right. There's one of those, I believe, yeah, 4.7 ohm, 1 watt metal oxide resistors in a bag. I don't know what that's for. This is this is kind of interesting. Let's see if we can get down here. There. You think that capacitor's seen its better days? Yeah, I think maybe 0.01 of 400 volts. Okay. I think I knocked something over. All right. Well, a little coffee. Well, one good thing. I don't have to worry about restringing the the dial cord. Unfortunately, the dial in front here can't read hardly any of it. 55 to 180 standard broadcast, but it's pretty gone. Okay, so this is an airline radio, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tube, standard old 5 tube, original plug, unpolarized, and something's been done over here. That is a speaker wire that somebody has moved or fixed. This wire here has been fixed. That goes up to the antenna. Whoops, this one's original. This one is the other side of the antenna coil. Yeah, and this was for an external antenna input going through that 400 volt cap, a resistor which we'll have to measure, and bypassing the antenna basically for an external antenna. How does it? Looks okay. Yeah, these wires got to go. These guys, I do not know if they are the ones that have the silver mica disease or not. How does the... Let's get some more light in here. See if I can get lots more light into here. And let's take a look at the tuning capacitor. How's it look? Not bad. There's one right here that might give us a little bit of a problem, but I don't think so. They're not touching anywhere. I don't feel any scraping. Well, so what's this got for twos? 12 SQ7, 55 LQ, 55, can't read it. I actually sometimes love working on this old junk. It's not junk, it's cool stuff. My gosh. What does that say? 35 L6, 35 Z5, 12 SK7, 12 SA7. Okay. Interesting selection of tubes. Alright, now for the big deal. Looks like somebody's changed this big old cap over here. That's one of those new versions of the old caps. And look underneath and see what we got. Well, the cap has been replaced and glued in, if you can see that, but there's no wires going to it. I presume that's what these are for. Wow. Here's another one of these supposedly sealed wax molded paper caps with all of its guts dripped out on the bottom. These have all got to go, definitely. Here's one of these awful, terrible things. Little coil. Okay, I don't see a whole lot more damage here. Well, this cap blew its guts. It's popping out one end of it here. Wow. And this, yeah, that's the transformer, the audio transformer going to the speaker. And these here. So this has got to have 4T19. See if we can find a date on this. Serial number. Oh, there's a. How many of these they make? 497333. Lots of them. What does this say? 118176. But I think and one of the knobs is missing. I'll have to look in the box and see if that's there. Ooh, that pot feels crusty. And it's sealed. Okay, so that's got to come apart. How do the tube sockets? They look pretty good. I don't see anything burnt right off the bat. No. Alright, so let's see. Okay, well, not much in there. It's just a 5-tube radio that somebody's already started. So I got, looks like he sent along all the stuff to fix it. He just didn't want to do it. Put this back in the bag. Alrighty, and well, that looks like it's going to be fun. I got to go find a schematic on this thing because I don't know, just from looking at it, where all the wires went. They're taken off of this this thing. Huh. Okay, well, there's that. Let's see what else we've got in the mailbag. Put this over away for a while. Back here, where I won't run over it at my chair. This is from, who's this, DigiKey? No, sorry. This one is from Mauser. This should be parts. Not very interesting. I love their boxes. They're easy to open. We got paperwork and a bag full of parts. Let's see what's in here. I think I know what's in here, but we'll see. Okay, 2 little packages. Let's see, the first one, I'll take the little one first. What is this? Monostable multi-vibrators. SN74 121s. Just regular SN74 121s. No HC, no nothing. Then they're still available. Ha ha! Wow, yeah, there they are. Brand new. And these go with, where are they? This, my little board that I made. After carefully looking at this little board that I made, that's going to be a project because it's got lots of errors. But we'll do a video of that and see if we're able to actually get this thing to work. Oh, how's that saying go? Expectations are not high. What else was in here? What is this? I thought I knew. But that is a weird bag, or a weird little box for it. It says this way up. Electrostatic sensitive devices. What in the world? I thought I ordered. I did. But boy, they're in a nice little box. Very well protected. That's exactly what I thought they were. But it's strange little boxing for them. They could have just put these in one of them little sleeves. Yeah, these are LM7805s. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's all they are. They also go for this. They go right. Yep. Right there. Just like that. Okay. That is really strange packaging. They must have needed to get rid of little black boxes with stuff in them. Okay, well, that's cool. Well, that's all going to be part of this little project. Wow, weird packaging. What's next? Oh, this. This is PS Lightweight Time-Sensitive Material. Amboy, New Jersey. Oh, what does it say here? Doesn't say. Okay. Came from the United States, so it doesn't have track or, you know, have to be told what it is on it. Open this up, maybe. And what do we got? Ah, yes. I've been looking for these. These are 50 ohm feed-through loads for my scope. So that right now, I use one of these guys, which is 50 ohms, half watt. It's Terminator, but it's not feed-through. These are feed-throughs. Cool. I've been wanting those. They make things easier. Just for fun. Where's that garbage? Here it is. We'll see if there is actually any resistance on these. Where are you? This is one of those little $5 meters that I got a long time ago when it was more than $5 actually. But I've used this as a test for lots of things. So one of the digits is destroyed. I tried to use this for something else. What was it? Oh yeah, for the talking voltmeter. Tried to use it for that and kind of screwed up one of the digits. So now when you short it out, the top digit over here doesn't work anymore, but I can make it out. Alright, so we're on 200 ohms. Let's go point to point. Straight through, it says. And from here to here is 50 ohms. Okay, cool. So it's definitely a 50 ohm terminator for the scope. Nice. I'll just stick these over here on the scope so I know what they are. And that'll make that easier. Those were not expensive. I'll have to look these up online. And after we get done here, we'll go through and I'll show you how much they were. We got one more. Oh, I know what these are. One more of these. Let's open it from this end. This came from the United States also, and it is kind of strange connector. See if it's what yep, it is. Cool. This is this is a PL259 on one end and a N male on the other. So these are specifically for, let's see, we're right off the bench and onto the floor. Let's see, over here, is this one? I think so. Yeah, it is. Oh, that was cute. I just knocked that off under there. All right, I got a Drake WV4 watt meter. It's good for 20 to 200 megahertz. And they're okay. They work pretty good. But it's got an N connector on the end of it. And suppose I wanted to take my transmitter out into here, into my watt meter. But then I want to go to this load right here. Well, I mean, that's easy enough. I can do it with a cable. But I just want to make it a little cleaner. So I'll take this on the load side. And I'll take this on the into the dummy load. That's the PL259. So I got a male and a male PL259. And there we go. All hooked up. Take this guy, because this is, well, let's see. Show you how this is going to work, maybe. I think it should. Got my 90-degree barrel for here. A lot of the stuff I use is ends. It might be a little long, but once I get a wire on it, it'll be okay. So there we go, and I've got these that are shorter too. So that's what I got. From there to there, all in a nice, neat little package. Yep, cool. That's what I wanted. Nice. All right. I like that. It's cleaner than a cable going across, and I don't have to worry about line lengths. You know, you can make a piece of coax that is exactly the wrong length for what you're working on and really screw up your mind because you've hit some sort of a magic quarter wave resonance or something like that. And then you just look at it and go, oh, what have I done wrong? And shake your head for a long time. Okay. Alrighty, so let me pause here for a minute and I'll get these up online. Alright, so here we are on my PayPal or eBay. And we'll take these guys first. I ordered these not even a week ago. I mean, it was 4 days ago. They were $11.99. They are 2x copper adapter, 50 ohms, 38.5 millimeters insert type BNC feed through terminator new 50 ohms. And they are exactly what I wanted at $11.99 a pair. That's expensive, but it's not horrible. I mean, it'll work good. And the cables, they fit inside there. Good. So, what else did I get? Let's back up. And I got these guys here. They're the N to PL259 connectors, male to male. They were $7.98 a set, 2-pack N-type male to UHF PL259 male RF coaxial adapter cables online RF-N134-2. $7.98 free shipping and way less than a week, like 4 days. Really good time to get here. This stuff came from Mauser, and Mauser takes exactly 4 days to get to me. And I think the Mauser stuff, this was a total, let's see, I got a billing here for this stuff. It wasn't cheap. It was like $22 including shipping, but shipping's always $7.98. That's the problem with Mauser or DigiKey or one of those. You buy the stuff, and it costs more to ship it than it did to buy it. However, what you do is you either wait longer to buy more stuff, or you just pay the shipping, or you add more stuff that you want onto the end of it so that it is more shipping, or the shipping makes sense. So, but anyway, these took 4 days to get here, or 5 days. They always do from Mauser, almost exactly. So there we go. That's the mailbag for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of these, let me know. I don't get that much stuff in, but when I do, well, I'll make up a mailbag on it and put it up for you guys to see it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and click on that little bell so you know when I'm doing more of this stuff. And thanks for watching.